Hi kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. We're going to do a little review this week of our influenced vowels, meaning where the R is bossy, with the different vowels of E, O-R, A-R, I-R-E, and A-I-R. So we're going to take a look here. I want to just remind you that the upside down E actually makes the sound. So we'll be looking for that as we go through. Now, we're sorting by sound this week, not by spelling. So you want to make sure that you are really saying the word and listening for that sound, not so much the spelling. So we're going to go through the words first and then we'll look at the headers. So we have bird, jar, deer, for, yarn, corn, fork. Then we have thorn, tire, horn, chair, pliers, horse, heart. Then we have shirt, fire, worm, first, pear, hair. All right, so let's go ahead and look at our headers. So we have the UR sound, the sound. So as I go through, I'm gonna just kind of do our first column so you can see what we're working with here. So I have the word bird. I hear in the word bird. Oh, sorry, let's go red with that to match our upside down ER pattern. So even though it's spelled IR, it makes the sound. Then we have jar, which has the AR, and it actually does have an AR. Then we have deer. Deer does not follow any of the patterns, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight that as an oddball. Let's go on to the word for. For is O-U-R, but it makes the OR sound, just like we have the O-R here. So that's going to match that. Then we have yarn. Again, that's going to be blue. It makes the R sound. Corn is the O-R. And fork is O-R. So you really have to be careful when you're saying these words and thinking about the sound that they're making. We do have some ire sounds this week. Let's see if I can get another color here. Ire, like in the word tire. And then we also have air, like in the word chair. All right, kiddos, read your words carefully. Again, listen for that sound. Is it or, R, ire, or air? Not so much. We're not worrying about spelling it the same way. We're worrying more about sorting it by sound. All right, kiddos, happy sorting.